Here is my towel holder, which is loose, and it actually comes right off because it comes with crappy wall anchors. Look at them. They basically have no ridges to grab the drywall and hold it in place. So I bought 3 different anchors off an Amazon that I thought would be great options and see which drywall anchors are the best for this application. Here's our first contender. It's a plastic anchor that gets pushed in at first and then screwed in. Here's what it looks like when the screw is inside. It basically splits open and should provide a good hold. Let's see how easy it is to install. You have to make sure you have a pre-drilled hole first. In my case, I'm using the existing holes from the old anchors since they match in size. Then put the anchor in the hole and start screwing with a screwdriver. Then I installed the bracket on and the towel holder itself. And it felt pretty solid, and I'll give you an update in a few months.
So I originally installed this in January and now it's October. So that's about 9 months later, and it seems to be still holding up pretty sturdy. I've been using this towel holder all the time, and it's not loose and doesn't come out.
Here's our second contender. It's plastic and has super long supports, and it comes with a very long screw, which can be a good thing. Here's what it looks like when the screw is all the way into the wall. To install this one, you also have to have pre-drilled holes, and again, I'm using existing holes. You also have to fold the flaps in like this to fit the anchor into the hole. Then use a hammer or a mallet to install them all the way in. Once again, I put the bracket back on and installed the towel holder. And to my surprise, this one felt very good as well. Very promising.
Again, this one is also 9 months old and still sturdy and also holding up pretty good.
Our final contender is these metal looking ones, which I was very curious to see how they will work out. So when you screw the screw into them, they split open like this, and it's supposed to hold it in the drywall. So let's install and see. Installing them, you actually don't need to pre-drill the hole. So I ended up moving my placement a little to the left of the existing holes, just a little bit, so I can still cover the holes with the towel holder. And I used a mallet to hammer them in. Personally, I would recommend using an actual hammer for these, but I guess mallet works too. Again, I installed the towel holder back on, and this one felt really solid.
And likewise, this one was also 9 months been installed, and this is in my kid's bathroom, so he pulls on this a lot harder than I do, and it's still pretty sturdy. I'm trying to shake it, and nothing's happening. So to conclude this video, I would say all 3 options are great options, but I preferably like these metal ones because they're easy to install. You don't have to drill a hole, and they're also do a good job holding the bracket or whatever you're gonna hold. Check out this video next where I installed the cable plate to hide the cables for this TV right here.